Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this star and asked how that was created in CorelDraw. I'm pretty sure it was created with the Bevel tool and they just took out part of the star. Let's take a star, holding down the control button, make a perfect star. I'm going to go ahead and put P and put it in the center. It doesn't really matter in this case. And this star has a little bit of a slope to it, curve to it. Let's get the 3-point curve line in. And I would always, instead of starting on a node, I'd always go past. So we're a little bit above that and a little bit below that. So I'm going to go from there to there. And then I'm going to just put a little curve on it. Now you need to make the line a little thicker. That's probably about right. But to make this work, you need to go to Object and convert the outline to an object. If you don't do that, the color won't stop. I'm going to try to match the colors closely, but when you bevel something, you get a different color. It'll change the color of the part. Now, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 10 inches. That's good. Move these out of the way, and there you go. Now all we have to do is bevel it. I don't know why it changes the color, but it does change the color a little bit, I think. And when we bevel it, I'm going to go to Effect and Bevel and Soft Edge, Distance. Let's try 0.25. Hit Apply. That's pretty good. Now, but see how it changed the color? And then just do the same thing on the other one. Now it's got a yellow background. I don't know if they want that or not, but just take a yellow. And actually, you can make that yellow, that gold probably. Let's go order back a page. And what you could do is just take, well, we could actually take that box away. And, well, and you could use a Smart Fill tool in this case. But let's go ahead and make it that gold. And then we can Smart Fill it. Well, see, if we Smart Fill it, it'll just do the outside. Let's try adding a little red to the, there we go. Maybe a little bit too much. Now, I don't know if that's required of the drawing, but that is a pretty cool, man, I got it pretty close. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.